Wait, what? A couple things. One, you're not waxing my back.
I am waxing your back.
Two, you can't say don't question me when it comes to pain on my back. Three, this is supposed to be a cooking video.
Well, you know what?
Okay, well that was an awesome intro. Thank you.
Kelly.
Hi, and welcome back to Waxing with Josh. Hi.
You're always with Josh. I'm here too, you know.
Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh and Babe. Tonight, we're gonna be making an Italian sausage with some garlic, onions, and peppers, some marinara, all cooked up in the cast iron as like an Italian low-carb dish. But for our appetizer, we're gonna be having fresh-made, homemade guacamole. Because what's one traveling to Mexico and then traveling to Italy? So here we go. Was that a good intro? Yeah. So in preparation for our sausage, we're gonna put some garlic. I enlisted the help of Babe.
Hi.
And she's gonna put the garlic in the, what is that thing called? The Ninja or something like that?
Yeah, food processor.
And then we're gonna chop it up.
I'm just pulsating it
You're pulsating it.
so that it doesn't chop it too
I just
fine.
pulsated my camera lens. I was watching some YouTube videos today and it talked about the continuous loop. Basically what it means is if you've got to this point in the video, you need to go to my channel and watch other cooking videos because then I'll get more views, more subscribers, and it'll be, you know, right babe?
Yeah, it'll be
Right.
awesome.
It'll be awesome.
And we're funny.
I just want to know why there's a waxing pot in the kitchen. It's disgusting. I just don't want my back or any part of my body waxed.
I have a license.
It hurts. A license to kill. Oh, that's hot! Oh, that's hot! Oh! No, I'm not ready. Oh! Can we not do that? Matter of fact, you're probably watching this and laughing hysterically right as we speak. They'd probably laugh hysterically if they saw you waxing my back.
Oh, I can't wait.
No, that's
I
disgusting.
can't wait.
Cut our peppers. But this is Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
Yeah, but I don't know, vote. My cuts or Babe's ring cuts?
And then you go like this.
I like the sound effect.
Right.
Wait, what? What?
This is how I cut onions.
So we got our sausages and we got our peppers cut. We got our cast iron and we got Stevie Wonder over here. What? So we got the sausage. We're gonna need about 2 cups of onion and the whole head of garlic that you chopped up. Time to turn on cast iron. Flame on, medium heat. Let's preheat to 325. So now we want to add the sausage in and brown on all sides. So. Oh yeah. Sizzle, sizzle. Chop, chop. I'm just gonna brown these real quick on all sides. All right, so we browned up the sausage. So now we're gonna move them over to a cutting board. We're gonna let those chill for a minute, and then we're on to phase 2. So now we're just gonna add in our white onions. And along with the onion, remember our garlic. So meanwhile, Babe is cutting the sausage into little pieces and our onions are smelling fantastic. Now I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna break off just a tiny bit of butter. And now we're gonna add in some colors. Here we go. Sausage back in. That is red pepper flake. Depends on how spicy you like it, babe.
Oh, I like it spicy like I like my men.
Oh, wow. Okay, that should be enough. That's a little crazy. 1 cup of marinara sauce. 1 cup. Oh, look at that. That was some off-camera measuring. We're gonna cover this cast iron pan with some tin foil, and then we're going to bake it in the oven at 325 for 45 minutes, babe. Yeah. 45 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Oh yeah, and now babe cleans up. That's so nice of you, babe. Thank you. I love you. Since we're trying to be lower carbish, even though Italian sausage really isn't that healthy for you, so we're just gonna eat it straight up.
Yeah, I think that sounds really yummy.
All right, it's been 45 minutes. Time to take her out of the oven. There it is, the finished product, fresh out of the oven. Scroll to final portrait picture now. And there it is.
Yummy.
Yeah, boom. Thanks for watching. All right, subscribe to the channel. Check out my other cooking videos.